Yo, my people, look, we have been in our bag. I'm not gonna lie to you. Me and the wife have been in our bag. All glory and praise to Jesus Christ, because we cannot do it without him. Listen.
Yo, y'all know I got more results of the day, man. The Queen Bee. First of all, $6,000 for the day. But the crazy thing about this, y'all already know, because y'all seen my story the other day. She started with $1,600 2 days ago. 2 days ago, she had $20K. Already about to catch me. Ain't that crazy? All right, y'all. So it's time for results of the day. As you can see, $2,000 for the day. 9 trades. That's it.
I've turned $150 into now $33K. And I've been flipping like crazy. My wife, 2 days ago, $1,600 to $20K. She just withdrew 15 today. That ain't nothing but the favor of the Lord. Listen, I got a scripture for you today, and it's a good one. 1 Corinthians, verse 1 through 31. If you gonna boast, you gonna brag about the Lord. Come on now. That's how I'm gonna say it. If you gonna brag about something, you gonna boast about something, boast about the Lord, because it's he who gives you the power to get the wealth. Listen, God has been blessing us truly. And look, I want y'all to be happy for us, because I'm happy when y'all win and it's y'all turn next. Listen, all the stuff I do is to make sure y'all eat. So look, I recorded a video showing me, taking some more trades from the zones. And look, y'all gonna be able to see for yourself how good it went. But this is how I've been able to flip accounts. All the strategies you got on this channel, you got all the resources you need. You just gotta learn how to control your own self. Once you do that, listen, sky is the limit. All right? So let's get into this video. Let's see the vibes. Today on the call, we already up 229. Easy work. Refresh, bro. I mean, show my face. Show my face. You already see the vibes, man. You already know. 31 of them Ks. All right, so USD CAD just popped up. Let's see what it's talking about. 85% on the buy. Ooh, heck shit. Give me that. Double up for the 600. And if you keep wanting to go, guess what? I got something for him. If you keep wanting to go. Let me see, 800. Let's see where you're headed, big fella. 1, 2, 800. We're gonna let these ride out. We're gonna let them ride out. This is how we roll. Ready for that turnaround, that retrace. And tell the market to stop playing with me. That's what I'm ready for. Straight off the zones. Straight off the zonies. Come on now. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shmoney. Boop. I'll take those. I'm waiting on this one to close out and we in the game, baby. Come on, man. Zones 2.0. That's all I wanted to show y'all today. That's it. If you ain't got the software, you tweak. If you ain't got the software, promise you tweaking. Boom! How you think I've been growing these accounts like this? Boy, stop playing with me. I ain't got to place another trade. That's it, man. All right, so look, y'all see the vibes. I had to come in heavy. This was on today's live call. From here to about right here, today's live call, it was cool. You feel me? Then I had to do zones. Y'all saw these. And that's just what we do. God is good. All glory and praise to Jesus Christ. Can't take no credit. He give me the God ideas and strategies and I run with it. So now that I got your attention, let's talk. You know what I'm saying? How I've been growing these accounts. $150 to 30-something K. Listen, I think you just got a gist of what just popped off. I think you can kind of see how this been working and how I've been eating. I've been mixing a little bit of everything, you know what I'm saying? So this whole flip wasn't zone. Well, most of it was zones, of course. Not the software as well, like a mixture of the software and a mixture of my manual trading. And then, of course, some 10 for the wins in there, all that. So real quick, if you brand new, you have no clue of what's going on, let me show you. This is my setup, all right? Anything that comes outside of this Keltner channel, is a automatic go. When I first saw this trade, the signal called it. It was outside the Keltner channel. It was an automatic go for a buy because it has to come back and touch the Keltner channel. That's my number one setup. If you ever want to know my number one setup, anything outside the Keltner. If you peek outside of it, y'all see the Keltner channel. If you peek outside of this area, you got to come back. So that's the trade I've been taking every single day, non-stop. All right. I've been taking that same setup every day, non-stop. That's one thing I want to tell y'all. All right. Every day, non-stop, same setup. Look at this. Outside the Keltner, up, outside the Keltner, down, stochastic high, sell, stochastic low, buy. Been doing 1 minute trades and cooking these markets up. Simple as that. All right. All this is possible, bro. You know what I'm saying? All of it's possible. Bingo. Another one. Now, I'm actually done for today, but this is exactly what I'm talking about. Outside the Keltner channel. You see Keltner right here. We outside. Stochastic high. Sell, bro. All right. If it don't sell right here at this one, because this is a zone. If it don't sell at this one, which your lawyer is trying to, then we sell again when they get up here. You know what I'm saying? And if it don't sell right there, we sell at the top. We just follow what happened to the left. We're going to get a sale somewhere. As you can see, that was pretty much a 1 minute drop right there in front of you, in front of your face. You know what I'm saying? And then if he decide to go up again, you smack him again. And that's what you do the entire time, y'all. This is not rocket science. Don't take rocket science. I got so many testimonials on this zone software. I got so many, y'all. It's well worth the money. Trust me when I tell you. I don't care if you had to pay $2,000 for it. If this is a system, look at my account size, y'all. Look at it. Come on, bro. Y'all think I'll be over here capping and playing around? No, I'm not. This system is, hey, somebody already pretty much quit their job. Somebody else about to quit their job off the software. I mean, what are we talking about, bro? Matter of fact, let me insert that testimonial right now. Yo, what's good, fam?
How's it going, brother?
Going good. Yeah, you can share whenever you're ready as well.
Got it. All right, guys. So first thing is first, I want to do a live testimony.
Let's go.
So first, I'm going to tell you how much I made for the day. You know what I'm saying? So today I made $1,530.
You better tell them stop playing with you.
One thing though, you know, I make that in that's like 3 weeks worth of my paycheck.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
And then last thing that I want to show you all is that ever since I bought the Zones bot, low key, that's the proof right there.
Let's go.
In the past 30 days, I made $3,600.
Ooh.
All from Zones. All from Zones. That's all I'm gonna say. And for proof, I can show you all how much I made in December. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Negative 662. I was down. And ever since I bought the bot, so let's just say this week over here, $3,600.
Wow.
Come on
you
now.
eating, bro.
All I'm gonna say is buy the Zones bot. That's all I'm gonna say.
Ooh, he's not a paid sponsor. I assure you.
Yeah. Oh yeah. 100%.
That's crazy, man. Congratulations, bro.
I appreciate that, brother.
So as you can see, it's changing lives, y'all. That ain't the only. I got so many testimonials, y'all. I promise you. But listen, again, systems, you don't need it. Again, this is just something that can help you not have to look at the chart. It's gonna give you what you need, and then you in there and you out. That's the whole goal of this trading thing, is to be in and out, right? Because if you can be done in the first 15 minutes of your day, how much freedom do you have? You know what I'm saying? That's it. You could travel, you could do whatever you want. And that's what I'm trying to instill into y'all. Freedom. You know what I'm saying? True freedom. All right, so I just clicked on this pair, Euro USD. Look, outside the Keltner channel, stochastic pretty high. We're getting close to selling. We already at a major zone. We should be selling right in here. This whole area, sell area. Now, if it doesn't and it decides to go up, but this, okay, real quick, this is how you can pretty much base your sales on how much it might sell. Just look to the left. This one sold big. This one sold really big. So chances are this one could sell big. Sometimes the market might want to push up a little higher to form a new high, and then it'll finally drop the market. So just keep that in mind. All right. But again, this is how I be so confident in doing bigger trades. As you saw, I did my $300 trade first. Well, $600 trade, I should say. and it didn't go. Well, it did go. Well, it was losing at first. And so I was like, well, push down a little bit more. And I ended up getting all of it. I do that a lot. I've been doing that a whole lot. And today, that's a $2,000 day. And I've been averaging lately about $2,000 to $3,000 a day. Now that my account is a lot bigger. So to God be the glory on that. You know what I'm saying? Can't take no credit, man. He been blessing me all my life, like for real. All my life. Major zones. 1 zone, 2 zone, 3 zones, drop. All right? So again, I'm going to tell y'all this because I love y'all. Stick to what works. If something is working and it's been working, don't get the shiny object syndrome, right? My wife has been flipping her accounts insanely, 1,000 to 20,000, 1,000 to 17,000 in a couple days. You know what I'm saying? Doing the 10 for the win strategy. Still doing the same strategy, right? So all of it works is what I've been trying to tell y'all. You know what I'm saying? All of it works. You just got to work it. You're not working it. If you hit me up and saying, hey, I'm doing this and ain't working, it does work. You're not working it. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing it. Everything I'm teaching y'all, I do every single day. If the zones don't hit on my first 2, I'm 10 for the win and I'm in there. And if you ain't trading live with me, then you should, because you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? So everything works. I don't promote nothing that don't work. So if it ain't working for you, you got to figure out a way to make it work, because I'm using it every day. So if somebody try to tell me it don't work, I'm calling cap, because I'm like, I just used it. I just did it. You know what I'm saying? I just did it, bruh. I don't know what y'all got going on, but watch multiple videos of mine if that's going to help, you know what I mean? And continue to push the needle, man, because this stuff works. And the way the world is set up right now, it's going to get ugly. Hyperinflation is coming, y'all. Like, it's really coming. With all the stuff that, the Presidente got going on, you already know it's about to get wild. You know what I'm saying? Good for the investors, but for the other people, probably not so good. So you got to get in your investor bag and really get in here and get the flipping accounts. Start doing this, take care of your family, withdraw more often, you know what I'm saying? Take the bread and run it up, y'all. That's the goal, man. Have a plan for the money, so that way you don't squander it. That way you don't do nothing stupid with the money, and you keep blowing it every week. I know you're getting tired of depositing. I know you're getting tired of redepositing money in here. You know what I'm saying? Like, wouldn't it be nice to build a compound plan and stick to it? Wouldn't that be nice? You know what I'm saying? Instead of just going crazy and standing here all day. That's another thing. Some of y'all staying here way too long. That's why you can't really flip. That's why you can't flip. Y'all staying here way too long. You'll make a little bit of money at the beginning, and then boom, you cooked. Look at this, right at the zone, got the drop. Nasty work. All right, so again, my highest probability setups outside the Keltner. My wife's highest probability setups outside the Keltner channel. Stochastic lower high. That's it. Simple stuff, y'all. Don't overcomplicate it. Learn how to risk your account to where you don't blow it. All right, so if you you in your account, and thank you, baby. She's bought me some breakfast. Huh? Oh, wow. That's crazy. But yeah, if you in your account, right, and you look and you see a setup, right, and it's there, how can you be confident in taking that trade? How? So this is what makes me so confident. Zones and overbought, oversold levels. Now, why am I so confident? Because just look at it, right? In this whole area, you got buy opportunities. A lot of buy opportunities. So why wouldn't I be confident when I see the market bounce multiple times in this area? Why wouldn't I be confident to place larger trades when it's basically showing me that we gonna get some type of rejection in the buy for at least a minute, minimum a minute? You know what I'm saying? Why not be confident? Why not be confident in the sell when I come up here and I see we got huge drops in here? Why not be confident and go in? Now, this is what you gotta do. You can't go in too crazy on your first entry. All right? Your account size got to make sense for it. You know what I'm saying? Your 4 entry rule should not knock you out your whole account if you risk the 4th entry. So you got to figure them numbers out, y'all. And we might make a video over that, on figuring your numbers out. All right. But why would I not be confident in areas like this for a sale? Look at all these sales. All these rejection and sales. So why am I playing timid? You know what I'm saying? So that's what it's gonna come down to, y'all. And every time like I showed y'all before, every time we got outside this Keltner channel, why, if I keep seeing every time we come out the Keltner channel, we get some type of reaction, why am I not being more confident and only taking these? I'm just gonna take the ones that come out the Keltner. If I know it's guaranteed that they gotta come back in, that's a guarantee. Now, when they come back in is the real question. So you gotta kind of monitor it up with the zones. Like, hey, we came out here, we didn't go up. We got a zone here. I'm gonna try to buy here. Up, we didn't go up. Third entry. Down here, boom, went up. Sometimes it play out like that. Or sometimes you might want to do it a longer time. Maybe 1 minute is too short. You feel me? So you just gotta kind of figure that out and what works best for you. But again, do the same setups every day. Don't overcomplicate it. Get your bread. Get in here and eat. Take care of your people. Take care of you. And be a giver, man. And this is, hey, over 10 years. This is 11, 12 years of putting in work. So that's how I'm able to grow from 150 to 30K and counting. All that time I put in, right? I learned how to trade with less anxiety. I know how to, push the limits when it's time to and when not to. And that's what I want to get y'all to do. So don't ever quit on this journey, because trust me, it's worth it. All right. I love y'all, and Lord willing, I'll see y'all on another video. Peace.